been a long, hot summer. Hi, my name's Denny with Supreme Service Today. This summer's definitely been long, hot, and humid. And if you feel like your AC is not cutting it anymore like it should, or if it's like in the past, maybe it's time to upgrade it. So if your unit's getting up there in age and starting to give you some breakdowns, or even just not really cooling the way you like, give us a call. We can come out, do a free consultation, take a look at your system, take a look at your home, and give you plenty of options to upgrade your system. There are a lot of rebates and incentives available right now to upgrade HVAC systems, so it's really a good time to buy. Even though it's the middle of the summer, we still have deals going on all the time here for you. So if you have more questions about what that looks like for you, want to set up a free consultation, give us a call, 410-788-1114. And remember, tell our brother Alex sent you.